Good morning, 6th standard. Today, let us revise the topic prime numbers and composite numbers. Prime numbers and composite numbers. Okay, you already learned about factors, children. Factors are numbers which multiply to give a product. Okay, factors are numbers which multiply to give a product. Okay, now let us learn what is a prime number. A prime number is a number that has only two factors. These are 1 and itself. A prime number is a number that has only two factors. Two factors മാത്രമുള്ള നമ്പേഴ്സിനാണ് prime number എന്ന് പറയുക. The factors of a prime number are 1 and the number itself. Okay. The given are few examples for prime numbers. The first prime number is 2 because 2 has two factors 1 and 2. 1 multiplied by 2 is 2. Then 3. 1 multiplied by 3 is 3. 5. 1 multiplied by 5 is 5. 7. 1 multiplied by 7 is 7. 1 multiplied by 11 is 11. Okay. These are examples for few prime numbers. 2 has two factors, that is 1, 2. The 3 has two factors 1, 3. Similarly, 5 has two factors 1, 5, and the factors of 7 are 1, 7, and the factors of 11 are 1 and 11. So, these numbers have two factors, that is 1 and the number itself. So, they are called prime numbers. Clear? A prime number is a number that has only two factors, that is 1 and itself. 1 and itself. Okay. So children, how will we find a prime number? നമ്മളൊരു നമ്പർ കണ്ടാൽ അത് പ്രൈം നമ്പർ ആണെന്ന് എങ്ങനെ കാണാം, എങ്ങനെ മനസ്സിലാക്കാം? ഫസ്റ്റ് ഫൈൻഡ് ദ ഫാക്ടേഴ്സ് ഓഫ് ദ ഗിവൺ നമ്പർ. ഓക്കെ, ഫസ്റ്റ് ഫൈൻഡ് ദ ഫാക്ടേഴ്സ് ഓഫ് ദ ഗിവൺ നമ്പർ. Then the second step is check the number of factors of that number. Check the number of factors. If the number of factors is 2, then it is a prime number. Clear? How will we check a number is prime or not? First, find the factors of the given number. Then, check the number of factors. If the number of factors are 2, if the number of factors are 2, then that number is a prime number. Okay. Here the numbers given are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. These are examples for prime numbers because 2 has only two factors 1 and 2. Two factors. 3 has two factors 1 and 3. 5 has two factors 1 and 5. 7 has two factors 1 and 7. 11 has two factors 1 and 11. So these are prime numbers. Clear? Children, the numbers other than prime are called composite numbers. Composite. The numbers other than prime. Prime അല്ലാത്ത നമ്പേഴ്സിനെയാണ് കോമ്പോസിറ്റ് നമ്പേഴ്സ് എന്ന് പറയുക. ഓക്കെ, യു ഓൾറെഡി ലേൺ അബൌട്ട് ദ ടൈപ്സ് ഓഫ് നമ്പേഴ്സ്. ഹിയർ വി ആർ ലേണിംഗ് അബൌട്ട് പ്രൈം നമ്പേഴ്സ് ആൻഡ് കോമ്പോസിറ്റ് നമ്പേഴ്സ്. Prime number has only two factors, 1 and the number itself. The numbers other than prime, prime allatha number, okay, that is known as composite numbers, which has more than two factors. More than two factors. So how will we check a number is composite or not? Let us start from the number 4. Here few composite numbers are given. 4, 6, 8, 9, 10. Let us start with 4. Find the factors of 4. Always start with 1. 1, 4 is 4. 2 2s are 4. So the factors of 4 are 1, 2, 4. So how many factors 4 has? 3 factors. 3 factors. So it is not a prime number. It is a composite number. Okay. Next example is 6. Find the factors of 6. 1 into 6, 2 into 3. So 1, 2, 3, 6. These are the factors of 6. How many factors, children? 4 factors. So 6 is a composite number. A composite number has more than 2 factors. Okay. Let us check one more example. Number 10. 1 into 10, 10. 2 5s are 10. So the factors of 10 are 1, 2, 5 and 10. How many factors, children? 4 factors. So it is a composite number. Clear? So a composite number is a number that has more than 2 factors. More than 2 factors. The given numbers are examples for composite numbers. 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 12, 14. Okay. Here the factors of 4 are 1, 2, 4. Factors of 6 are 1, 2, 3, 6. Factors of 8 are 1, 2, 4, 8. Factors of 9 are 1, 3, 9. Factors of 10 are 1, 2, 5, 10. So these numbers have more than 2 factors. More than 2 factors. The number 4 has 3 factors. The number 6 has 4 factors. The number 8 has 4 factors. And the number 9 has 3 factors. And the number 10 has 4 factors. So these numbers are composite numbers. Composite. Okay. Then children, the number 1. 1 is neither prime nor composite. What is the meaning of that? 1 is neither prime nor composite. That is 1 prime number alla, composite number alla. Because the factors of 1 multiplied by 1 is 1. So 1 has only one factor. One factor. That is 1. So 1 is neither prime nor composite. 1 prime alla, composite alla. Okay. Because you now learn about prime numbers. All prime numbers have 2 factors. And a composite number has more than 2 factors. But here 1 has only one factor, which is 1. So 1 is neither prime nor composite, since its only factor is 1. Okay. 1 multiplied by 1 is equal to 1. Okay, children. Next, 2 is the smallest prime number. The smallest prime number is 2. Okay. Because 2 has 2 factors, 1 and 2. And which is an even prime number also. Even prime number also. All other prime numbers are odd. Clear? Now let us do the given question, children. Here, identify all the prime numbers in the table below. The first number 2. 2. 2 has 2 factors, 1, 2. Next 3. The factors of 3 are 1 and 3. Next 5. The factors of 5 are 1 and 5. Next the factors of 6. The factors of 6 are 1, 2, 3, 6. Then factors of 7, 1, 7. So in the first row, The prime numbers are 2, 3, 5 and 7. 2, 3, 5 and 7. Because these numbers have two factors, 1 and the number itself. 6 is not a prime number because it has 4 factors. 4 factors. Clear? Now let us check the second row. Second row. The numbers given are 8. In second row, the numbers given are 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay. Factors of 8, 1 into 8 and 2 into 4. So the factors of 8 are 1, 2, 4, 8. 4 factors. Then 9. 1 into 9, 3 into 3. 3 factors. 1, 3, 9. Then 10. 1 into 10, 2 into 5. How many factors, children? 4. Then 11. 1 into 11. That's all. 2 factors. Then 12. 1 into 12. 2 into 6. 3 into 4. How many factors, children? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So which is a prime number here in the second row? The only prime number is 11. 11 because it has 2 factors. So in second row 11 is the only prime number. Okay. Now let us check the third row. Third row. The numbers given are 13. 1 into 13. 2 factors. Then 14. 1 into 14 and 2 into 7. 4 factors. Then 15. 1 into 15. 3 into 5. 4 factors. Then 16. 1 into 16. 2 into 8. 4 into 4. So total 6 factors. Then 17. 1 into 17. 2 factors. Okay. Now check the number of factors. 13 has 2 factors. 14 4 factors. 15 has 4 factors. 16 has 6 factors. And 17 has 2 factors. So which numbers are prime numbers, children? The numbers having 2 factors, that is 13 and 17. Okay, so in the third row 13 and 17 are prime numbers. Clear? Now check the last row. 18. 1 into 18. 2 into 9. 3 into 6. Number of factors 6. Next 19. 1 into 19. 2 factors. Next 20. 1 into 20. 2 into 10. 4 into 5. How many factors? 6. Okay. Next 21. 1 into 21. 3 into 7. How many factors, children? 4. Next last one, 22. 22. 1 into 22. 2 into 11. How many factors? 4. So children, the numbers given are 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. 18 has 6 factors. 19 has 2 factors. 20 has 6 factors. 21 has 4 factors. And 22 has 4 factors. So which is the prime number among this group? 19. Because 19 has 2 factors. 1 and 19. Okay. So children, to identify a number is prime or not, we have to follow the given steps. That is, first find the factors of the given number, then check the number of factors. If the number of factor is more than, sorry children, if the number of factors is 2, then it is a prime number. If the number of factors is more than 2, then it is a composite number. Okay. Children, hope this topic is clear for you. If you have any doubt about this topic, please send me a message. Bye. Thank you.